how to add the Facebook pixel to your Wix site. In order to do that, just head over right here to your apps and click on your app market right here. Once you have clicked on your app market, this should be able to show you the Wix app market itself. So just head over and click on this search bar right here and search in here for face. So let me head over and search for this one. And as you can see, this will show me some search results like this basic picture gallery. But since what we're looking for is the pixel, you can head over and then just add the pixel option right here. Now from in there, you should be able to see these options right here like this pixel conversion tracking, as well as this Facebook shops and also all of this right here. So you can head over and then just choose this. Like for example, let's click on this pixel conversion. And then from in there, just head over and then click on this add to site. Do take note that they have a little subscription for a month, but they should be able to add your Facebook pixel to your website. So in order to make sure of that, you can see in here some snapshots of their actual accounts right here, and you can add all of those pixel name like Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and a lot. So that's how you add the base of pixel to your website. If we help,